Hello viewers, perfection is in human nature, and all of us want to be perfect in all ways, from our dress to the things which we use in our daily life. Many of us love to maintain our cars with the latest gadgets, which helps our cars to look more impressive. Not only staying safe during travel is not always a driving skill, but sometimes they are protected by the gadgets installed in a car. So viewers, today's video will go to be very informative, because today in this video, we will be telling you about each gadget that you must install in your cars in the year 2022. Okay, so let's start the video. But before you start, don't forget to like and subscribe button for more new and quick notifications. Okay, we start with the car key. Number 1. Disc Labs Key Shield. Disc Labs Key Shield helps you in protecting your key from thieves by preventing your key signal from being picked up or copied when such signals are used to steal. When you are not using a car, simply place your keys inside the small Faraday bag, and it will restrict all electrical communication, including Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth, broadcasting, and navigation system. That's such easy for found your car key and your other gadgets. Number 2. Garmin Dashcam. Viewers, Garmin Dashcam is especially useful if you're looking towards something simple and unobtrusive. It records 1440 HD video with a 140 degrees lens. You can record during the day and at night and get a good video. You can also watch your back footage with the help of a 2-inch LCD on the back. The device lens records at all times, and you can use the voice-controlled function to tell it to save video, begin or stop recording, and snap photographs. If you love travels and have back pain issues, the seat cushion from Halfords is made for you, so let us see what it is. Number 3. Seat Cushion Halfords. The Halfords padded seat cushion has a curved design with a greater filling to make the trip comfier for long journeys or merely for those who spend a significant amount of time in the driver's seat. The cushion is designed to fit your car seat, with anti-slip support and adjustable straps to keep it, and you, secure. If you are going to a remote area where there is a signal issue, you must install this gadget, which we will discuss now. Number 4. Booster for cell phone signal. If you ever find yourself stranded in a remote place, this handy gadget will prove very helpful. It will extend the range of your cell signal and might be your savior in getting help. This Wii Boost model is compatible with Verizon, T-Mobile, and all other wireless providers, and it is 5G prepared, so it is willing to go as soon as you are. It's also great when you're not stranded. It will assist your phone in dropping fewer calls, activating better hotspots even in remote areas, and providing a faster internet connection. Viewers, definitely we all want to get rid of unnecessary dirt. For that, you must get a handheld vacuum in your car. Let's discuss what it is. Number 5. Handheld Vacuum Shark HandVac 2.0. Crumbs, dirt, sand, and all of the small dust particles in a car cause allergies and annoyance, but a handheld vacuum is an excellent substitute and cleans all this dust, and it makes your car clean. This Shark handheld vacuum can be charged and stored in your car, prepared for any accidents or to keep your car clean at all times. It has a 15-minute runtime and provides a powerful vacuum in 2 modes. It's also compact and lightweight, so it won't take up much room. Number 6. Oser Car Boot Organizer. Oser created a boot organizer to aid you in keeping track of your possessions. You can put and hide your valuable things into it. This waterproof Oxford cloth case with built-in plates made of dense board and pearly fabric will keep your belongings secure and well protected. It is foldable and simple to assemble, with 3 sections and 2 portable plates that can be combined to form one large space. A heavy-duty cover is also included to keep your belongings out of sight for added security and privacy. Viewers, to conceal your important documents, you must install air vents in your car. Let's see what it is. Number 7. Air vents. This is a timeless classic. There's plenty of space behind each air vent to conceal large items. The most difficult part is removing the vent without having broken it, so make sure you understand where and which type of clips hold it in place. Number 8. The Collection by Autoglym. Viewers, if you have a new car or want to upgrade your old one, you must consider Autoglym's bodywork, wheels, and interior collection. This kit encompasses body panel shampoo, amazing resin polish, extra varnish protection, spotless wheels, immediate wheel dressing, alloy roller seal, internal shampoo, car crystal polish, vinyl and rubber support, a sponge, high-tech finishing cloth, and at last, an aqua dry cloth. Number 9. Hidden Compartment Kit. You must construct concealed compartment kits if you want to conceal something in your car. The lid is in a convenient location, buried behind floor mats. This concealed compartment kit is more prevalent in vans and SUVs since a higher floor is required. Number 10. Digital Assistant Chris. Chris is a virtual assistant for drivers, similar to Amazon Alexa and Google's Home. The insightful hardware acts as a true co-driver, trying to give driver instructions, trying to read messages, control music, and accept calls. Chris is attached to the windshield like a SAT NAV and Bluetooth paired with the cellular telephone. Best of all, Chris works offline without internet service. Number 11. Electrified Blanket. If you live in a cold country, you should keep an electric blanket in your car in the event of an emergency. Stalwart's super soft 12-volt electric fleece blanket plugs into any car, truck, or SUV cigarette lighter, warms quickly and will keep you cozy till you reach your destination. Arrives it also includes a 96-inch cord, so the passengers can stay warm on a regular road trip. Number 12. A-Car Essentials Winter Car Emergency Kit. If you intend to travel to a snowy area, this automobile package is necessary. The high-vis jacket's convenient torch will let you see and be seen on those chilly nights. To maintain body heat, it also includes a foil blanket. A set of fully insulated booster cables and a rain suit are also included in this kit in case of emergency. Number 13. A GPS tracker. With a GPS tracker, you always know where your car is. When your teenagers or grandparents take your car for a spin, the VYNCS GPS tracker will keep it secure and give you peace of mind. As we know that accidents can happen anywhere and at any time, so this particular tool prevents you from accidents. Let's see what is it. Number 14. Emergency Escape Tool. VicSync's Emergency Escape Tool is both affordable and necessary. Each tool costs $10 and includes a seat belt cutter and a dual-tipped car window hammer made from high-quality steel to rapidly and safely break the glass in the event of an accident. Number 15. Magnetic Phone Holder. Because one cannot use one's device while driving, regardless of whether you're changing songs, starting a new podcast episode, or trying to follow Google Maps, the Bestrix magnetic phone holder will bring your smartphone closer to eye level, making those glances shorter and returning your eyes to the road ahead faster. Viewers, as we know, UV rays cause skin allergies, so one must keep itself protected from such rays. For this purpose, you need to install the following gadget. Number 16. UV Rays Window. With the pair of these UV protective Munchkin Brica window shades, you can maintain your backseat passengers cool and safe from the sun's harmful rays. These window slates have a white hot indicator that ultimately turn white when the car gets too hot, keeping everybody safe while going to drive in the summer heat. Okay viewers, it was all about today. I hope you will find this video informative. If you have any queries, let us know in the comment section below. We will be back soon with another interesting video. Take care.